Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we're making the best deviled eggs. A classic, simple recipe that comes together super easy. These deviled eggs are sure to please every guest at your picnic or gathering. To start your deviled eggs, you're going to need 6 hard-boiled eggs. I know I have more than 6 here, but you can just make 6 and then you get 12 because we're going to be cutting them in half. You can use hard-boiled eggs that you make at home, or you can use hard-boiled eggs that you buy at the store. Either way is fine. You're also going to need some parsley flakes, paprika. I like a smoked paprika, it just gives it a little extra punch. Ground mustard, onion powder, salt and pepper, mayonnaise, and hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce you like. I love Cholula brand. You're going to want just a hard-boiled egg that's already been peeled. You're going to cut your hard-boiled egg in half, and then you have the nice, beautiful yellow yolk. And if you just squeeze it slightly, you'll pop out the yolk into your bowl. Let's move that bowl over and squeeze slightly. You don't want to squeeze it too hard or you're going to crack the egg white. Now, if your egg whites are not standing perfectly and you don't have a fancy deviled egg holder, you can slice off the bottom so you have a little bit of a flat surface and then it'll stand perfectly for you. So let's do the rest of the eggs. Now you can arrange your egg whites on a plate. We'll just leave them sit here and we're gonna make the fillings. Set that aside. And then we're going to add the mayonnaise to your egg yolks. A little bit of onion powder. Some dry mustard. Some parsley flakes. You can use fresh parsley too. I'm just out. That's why we're using the dried. Sometimes you can count on your pantry. Salt and pepper. And a little bit of hot sauce. Or a lot of hot sauce. And then we're gonna use our hand mixer. I'm gonna beat this until it's light and fluffy. So to make your deviled eggs pretty, we're going to use a piping bag. You can use a spoon to fill your shells, your egg white shells, or you can use the piping bag. I like to use like a star tip. Drop in your star tip and push it down to the bottom of the bag. You're just gonna spoon the mixture into your piping bag. Now we're gonna fill up our egg whites. So, you're just gonna pipe the mixture in. You don't wanna overfill it, just like that. So easy to do. I just feel like deviled eggs are the first thing to go at a picnic. And when they're even prettier like this, they vanish in seconds. Now I like to use the smoked paprika on top, and really a lot of people like the paprika for the color. I like it for the smoky flavor, and that's why I use the smoked paprika. And here is a trick for you. Do not sprinkle it out of the jar. Use your fingers, or if you want to be super fancy, you can put it in like a little mesh sieve and sift it over top. But I have used it out of the bottle and then dumped like the whole bottle on one egg. So if you noticed, I found my deviled egg plate. And I decided to move everything onto the deviled egg plate because, well, I mean, it's for deviled eggs. What else are you gonna use it for? So let's take a bite. Take this big beefy one here. It's so creamy. It's so good. The perfect amount of creaminess with a little heat from the hot sauce. You can taste that dry mustard, just like a little hint of it. Perfectly, perfectly creamy. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.